Great to be with you this week. This week, my word is cherish. I believe that there have been so many moments given to us these past few years that have been a teaching moment for us to cherish those in our lives, to cherish those very special moments, to cherish the people in our life, and to discover and cherish that which is important to us in life. We shouldn't take anybody for granted. We shouldn't take our health for granted. How interesting sometimes if we feel that we can eat whatever we want and we can drink whatever we want and we can overextend ourselves and we can be out of balance and not understand that it's going to affect our health. We have to cherish ourselves, love ourselves, take care of ourselves. Life is too short. If we have a beef with somebody, talk it through. Talk it through. Go into a room. Figure it all out. Whatever you have to do, because we need to fix it. We can't hold on to it. It creates too much stress. Don't take anything for granted. It's not about the things in life. It's about the moments in life. We're creating memories. It's about the joy. What joy do we bring into our life every day? Do we wake up happy? That's important because then we can cherish the moments that are in our day. And so this week is very short and sweet. I want you to hold on to that word, cherish. The C is to create. Stop holding on to things and patterns and expectations. Create a new version of ourselves. What do we want to be? Who do we want to be? What's important to us? What do we love to do? Create. The beauty of being human is we get to start over every day. The H is to honor ourselves mostly, to honor ourselves and to have boundaries so that we're not overextending ourselves, to honor ourselves, to know ourselves. We each have a journey. We don't get to step into anyone else's journey. We need to just enjoy our journey, honor our journey. And when we come upon somebody that is of a different mindset or a different opinion, well, maybe we will learn something if we stop long enough to listen. The E is for effervescence, vivacious, enthusiastic. This is how we should feel about our life. The R is this is time to get real. Speak what we know is to be our truth. Don't hide anymore. Don't hide behind others. Don't hide behind excuses. Just be real. Be who you are. The I is to illuminate. That is what we should do with our thoughts, our actions, our words. We are all stars, and our job is to shine every day. The S is to smile. When we smile, we light up the world. We light up those around us. It's important to smile every day. And the H is for hope. We're human. We always have hope. But we need to move in a positive forward direction for ourselves, for our kids, and for the world. So cherish, hold on to that word. Cherish those around you. No more hate, no more intolerance, no more judgment. When we cherish and honor and respect each other, the world will be a better place. Have a great week, everyone.
I know you can't get enough of Gene. Well, you can go to thetruthayf.com for more of Gene's Words of the Week.